Today, we're going behind the scenes of the biggest ideas shaping our industry. One big idea in play right now is an event coming up soon, one you should not miss. And someone who knows all about this event is Ricky Regalado, founder of Rosalato Services, and a star in the making with cleaning cocktails. Right, Ricky?
Some would say, some would say.
Ricky, thanks for joining today. Let's talk about this event coming up. It's something you're working on and you're excited about. Tell us about it.
This one is special to me. Everybody always says everything is special, right? But like this one really is just because we spent time crafting the message, crafting the deck, right? There's even a deck for the event, the theme, the purpose, the why. We just it's not just an event for us. Like this is really, really purposeful, and I'm excited to just bring it to life.
So tell us what it is. I understand the concept of this is going to perhaps, am I stepping on a limb here, change the industry and change how contractors work?
Change, I'd say improve and reinvent subcontracting, which I think, Jeff, you've heard me talk about. You guys, just in the last BSC council meeting, it came up, right? And it is something that's been part of the industry, but I think there's a time and a place and a moment now that we can reinvent how it's being done, and really kind of raise the bar. Our event theme is called Raise the Bar, and the special session, which is going to be a curated matchmaking session between prime and subcontractors, Jeff, is called the Deal Bar. Tell me how do you like that name? The Deal Bar.
I like it. I like it a lot. And I love the idea of what you're going to cover because subcontracting is controversial.
It is. Yeah.
So is everyone who comes to this event, are they going to be in favor of subcontracting?
They're not everybody is. And that's the purpose though. Like the goal is to have both sides show up and discuss, not just prime and subs talking, but like potential clients, which will have a few property managers that they're going to share their the pros and cons of what they feel is good with subcontracting, but and what's wrong and why they like it and don't like it. So I think that that's good for conversation, to be honest.
Okay. Devil's advocate. Everyone talks all the time about this. What's going to change? What is the impact you're looking at with this event that you want to see moving forward?
So that's a great question. So I think the idea of actually having the matchmaking and having primes there that represent so many different markets, and truly, Jeff, they are competitors. These are some of the biggest BSCs in the country that normally don't sit next to each other and share so much about where they're growing. So I thought, first off, hats off to them for saying, hey, you know what? Let's change this up a little bit. Let's actually come to this event, support, and talk about the future. And it's a part of strategy. They're looking to grow their businesses just like the subcontractors are. And then flip side, now my ask is to the subcontractors that are watching the show is we need you to apply. We need you to come, don't be intimidated, challenge yourself, and be interviewed by these primes and learn what it is to be business ready. Everybody says they want business and they want to work and they want new opportunities, Jeff. But what I'm trying to do is professionalize how this is going to be done and really raise the bar and step it up where you know what net terms means. You know what quality control is in inspections, and you know what it is to talk to a prime. They're your client at the end of the day. And I think when subcontractors forget that, and then the primes then forget, hey, those subcontractors are an extension of your business in that market that you're sourcing them. They're partners, right? So let's look at this as a partnership is really the end goal.
All right, let's wrap up with some details. Where is it at? When is it? How do people register?
Yeah,
And what can they expect?
full agenda, full, it's a 1.5 days. The first Tuesday is August 19th. It's a welcome party. Wednesday, the 20th is the full day of programming, 9 to 5. It's in Nashville, Tennessee at the Gaylord Opryland. You go to www.cleaningcocktails.com for the full details. Hotel discount. Gaylord Opryland is a beautiful resort. Bring your family. There's early bird ticket sales right now, and the agenda. It's a very awesome, curated, intentional agenda that talks about scaling, sales, and subcontracting. Great speakers, great people that are coming, great sponsors. So check it out at www.cleaningcocktails.com.